if you want to visually think about the way that all these HTML elements are structured. It can sometimes be helpful to think about an HTML page in terms of a tree-like structure that we call the Document Object Model, or DOM. And so, here, for example, is what the DOM for this web page might actually look like. Here on the left is the HTML content that we just saw a moment ago. And over here on the right is the DOM, the Document Object Model, the tree-like structure that describes how all of these HTML elements are related to each other. So we start up here with the HTML element. And this parent element, so to speak, has two child elements within it, a head element and a body element. As we can see here, we're inside of HTML. We have a head section and a body section. And the indentation here that we're including in the HTML text, it's not strictly necessary. The web browser doesn't care what the indentation is. But it can be helpful for someone who's reading the page, just to see the indentation to understand visually that the head is inside of the HTML element and the body is inside of the HTML element too. So inside of the head element, we have a title element. And inside of the title element is just the text, the word hello. And likewise, inside of the body element, we also have some text, the text hello world. So thinking about HTML and HTML documents in terms of this structure can be helpful for understanding which HTML elements are inside of which other HTML elements. And that's going to make it easier for us to reason about these pages later on. And especially as we later transition into the world of JavaScript, it is going to make it all the way more powerful to give us the ability to actually modify parts of this DOM as well. But we'll certainly get to that in later videos. This was all for DOM, so, from the next video we'll take a look at some of the other common HTML tags and HTML elements that we might be interacting with in our web page. Thank you.